The inverse trigonometric functions. The inverse of sine, we said if theta is an acute angle and the sine of theta is x, then the inverse of x is the measure of the angle theta. That is, if sine theta is equal to x, then the inverse of sine of x is theta. And by the same way, we can see that the inverse of cosine of x is theta, and the inverse of tangent of x is theta. Use trigonometric function to find the measure of theta, round to the nearest degree if necessary. Now, what do we have here? We have theta and the opposite side of theta and the adjacent side of theta. So we will use the ratio tangent. Now tangent theta is opposite over adjacent. So to find the measure of the angle theta, we will use now the inverse of tangent of 26 over 11, or it is equal to 67. Now remember that the angle of depression is the angle between the line of sight and the horizontal line, and the angle of elevation is also the angle between the horizontal line and the line of sight. In this question, he asked us to find the length between the plane and this point, which is 6 feet above the ground. Since we have 6 feet above the ground, so we will subtract it from 150. So the opposite side will be now here 144. What do we need now here? We have to write the ratio tangent, because I have opposite and adjacent. The tangent is 144 over x. So to find the value of x, we ought to divide 144 by the tangent of 32, and the answer will be approximately 230.4